Hi,
We are
Timnah
and Fabian.
from Bite-Sized.
This video is a brief introduction to GitHub Repositories.
We will first explore what GitHub and its repositories even are, why they are useful for your projects, and how you can create one in a matter of seconds. So, what is a repository and what even is GitHub? GitHub is a website where people can save and share their work, mainly for coding projects. It helps teams work together on the same files without messing up each other's changes. Think of it like Google Drive, but for code where you can track edits and go back to previous versions if needed. Inside GitHub, projects are organized into repositories, or repos for short. A repository is like a special folder where all the files, code, and history of a project are stored. Just like a Google Drive folder holds different documents, a GitHub repository holds everything related to a coding project, including past versions, updates, and notes on changes. Repositories make it easy for teams to work together, keep track of progress, and even allow others to contribute to a project. Some repositories are private. Only invited people can see them, while others are public, meaning anyone can view and contribute.
This is the homepage of GitHub. To create a new repository, simply press on the plus sign at the top right and select New Repository. Now enter the name of the repo and add a description. Here you can choose if you want a repository to be public or private. For now, we will create a private repository and invite Timnah. To add others, you have to go to Settings, Collaborators, and then use the search bar to find them. Now, let's switch to a different repository. This is a typical repository on GitHub. You have your files and folder structure here, and everything you work on is being stored here. If you want to access previous versions and see what has changed, you can click on the button in the upper right corner. As you can see, it provides an overview of all the changes to the files over the course of the project and who made the change respectively. When you click on the title of the so-called commit, you can look at every single change within the respective files.
GitHub has a lot more features that can help you and your team with your projects, so we strongly encourage exploring what else it has to offer. Feel free to check out our other tutorials where we help you work on your very first research project. Thanks for watching!